Have you ever met somebody who's having a bad day? Like, just a bad day. And they always say, man, I'm having a bad day. And they kind of get into this funk. It's almost like there's a dark cloud above their head, and it's like raining on them, like pouring on them, and they're thinking, oh man, it's so bad, it's so bad. And all reality, you kind of look at their overall persona, and you realize, those people that have bad days sometimes have consistent bad days. Why do you think that is? Do you think maybe they're focusing on the negative in their life instead of the positive? Do you think maybe, just maybe, here's a thought here, that they've got the wrong vision of what's good and bad up here? Now, I was coached by somebody who didn't believe in having bad days. They just didn't. You either have a really good day, which I think is every day. Every day that you wake up and you're breathing, I think that's a good day. But hey, but they'll tell you sometimes you run into that time when just something goes wrong. Sometimes it's your fault. Most times it's not. But here's the thing, if you let that moment, sometimes we have bad minutes, sometimes we have bad hours, sometimes we have bad times, right? But our job is to extrapolate the good from that. You got to pull the good out of any bad situation, right? Hey, I stubbed my toe. Now I've learned not to walk that close to the kitchen chair. That wasn't necessarily bad. It didn't feel good that you stubbed your toe, but now you know, don't walk so close to the kitchen chair. And if you're clumsy, wear shoes. You won't stub your toe, right? We learn to adapt. We learn to change our behavior. If you're having consistent bad days, you're not changing your behavior. It's true. If you changed your behavior, you would have good days. You might have a bad minute, maybe a bad 10 minutes, maybe a bad circumstance that you can turn into a learning experience and make it a good minute, a good hour, a good whatever it was, right? And how do you do that? What do you think is the easiest way to do that? I can think of one right off the top of my head. The mindset. Oh, shameless plug for that. The mindset, right? You got to stay focused and change your mindset. See how I got distracted a second ago? These are unedited videos, right? It comes from the heart here. I've got ADD. How did I survive school? How did I survive college? How did I survive a working environment? You adapt, and it's fun to adapt. And if I can adapt, you can adapt. Anyone can adapt. You can change your mindset, and it'll change those bad days into great days. Not good days. We don't want to go for good either. Good sucks. Mediocre sucks, right? You want to have an awesome, say it with me, awesome. I can't hear you. Say it with me, awesome. You want to have awesome days, right? Have an awesome mindset. Look for the good. Look for the opportunity. Look for the lesson. Train yourself harder. Accomplish hard things. If you accomplish hard things, praise yourself. Reward yourself. Let me know. I want to celebrate with you when you accomplish something big. I don't care if you're on my team or not. If you accomplish something big, call me. I want to know. I want to hear about it. I love that. I love hearing about people that have success, right? Sometimes we all get bumped. Our goal is to change our mindset and bump back at life. You're having a good day now, aren't you? Make it a point to make it a good day. Don't have a good day. Don't have a good day. Don't be reactive. Make it a good day. Make it a good day. Look at your dream list. Look at your goals. Focus on those. Nothing else. Focus on only your goal and achieve it. And make that your great day. Every step closer is just a fantastic day. Appreciate you guys. Make it a great day today.